it's just the economic and commercial issue.
Okay.
So it depends on the advices of the air companies, what they advise, what they, for example, propose. If they, for example, advise us to use some connecting flights, maybe it's more for the first steps. It's maybe more effective. So we will do.
Okay.
We will see, because for us to tell the truth, Pakistan market is very important. It's very big market. And I was in Pakistan, and I'm sure that the Pakistani citizens, they would love to come to Tajikistan. Some, for example, seasons, it's more comfortable for Pakistanis if there is a flight to come to Tajikistan. And it's more cheaper, for example, than to go, for example, to some other countries. And we have some common traditions, for example, for Pakistani people to come to Tajikistan for sightseeing or for rest.
In this connectivity, I would like to ask a question. My name is Jamshed Sultan, Deputy Controller of Pakistan Television, National Television of Pakistan, and serving more than 25 years as an executive producer. I have produced more than 20,000 programs, mostly in the tourism and climate change and any other things. So it is very much delighted to be here. One thing I would like to ask, that the tourism promotion through which countries are very much interested, and the ratio of the tourism, who you feel that they are coming from Iran, Turkey and some other Central Asian states. What are the ratio, and which country has the greatest ratio to tourism in the Tajikistan? Because I think, I feel in this tour, in this visit, that we have very much opportunities of tourism of Pakistani people to the Tajikistan. So what are initiative taking you people for the Pakistani people or some other Asian countries, Muslim brother countries, to promote our tourism, our Muslim tourism, please?
Thank you.
You mean Ziyara tourism?
Yes, exactly. Religious tourism.
Religious tourism.
Religious tourism.
Religious tourism.
Yes.
In Tajikistan, as you know, also enough religious some objects which can attract, I think, the Muslims from the Pakistan to come to visit for sightseeing of these objects. And at the same time, we have a very famous, for example, people from the past, I mean, from past centuries, and